Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Dent coin, guys. What surprise changes occur in the Dent coin. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about a Dent coin. The current live price of the Dent coin in the market is 0.006383 USD dollar. Oh my god, the price is very low, and day by day I found the price changes becomes negative. I mean the price becomes low. So why guys, why the price becomes low? Because guys, the changes of the wax is going negative, and if the changes is going negative, so absolutely the price will become negative, guys, low. Anyways guys, if you are new in my channel, so subscribe now my channel for more updates and news videos about Dent coin. Other side, you can see the changes is completely going wrong. Let me show you on the price chart. You can see guys, just look here, price decrease very badly. So guys, it is a false day. You know what, last half month a lot of coin, not only Dent coin, falls down a lot, and even a lot of coin, not even all coin going negative. Why? Because the short-term investors are deciding to sell. It is the last half month, that's why they decide to sell. So due to selling, guys, the price changes is become negative. You can see negative 10.52% changes after 10 coin is going negative. So that's the reason, guys. Anyways guys, hope you're feeling good about 10 coin. Please hold, don't decide to sell. That is a few days false, and after a few days the price will again pump. Subscribe now for more videos.